What's up, everybody? It's Danny B from Rack Ops. So I just got my UFC NYC box in the mail today, so I'm kind of excited. It says 8 trading cards and look out for autograph cards. But I'm looking at the slip that came in the box, the receipt, but why is it showing an autograph of Khabib? Am I going to get that? I can only hope. So let's crack this thing open and see what we got. Let's see what it says on the back. All right, so 8 cards and look out for autographs. If y'all remember, this was the John Jones and Stipe Miocic fight. So I'm gonna be extremely happy to pull a John Jones autograph or any limited number cards or whatnot. So let's see how this thing opens. Okay, 1 pack. All right, who we got? We got DC. Okay. Oh man, give it away. All right, let's try it like this. DC. Veronica Hardy. Israel Adesanya. Dude gets a lot of hate, but he's a good fighter. All right, we got a limited number here, and we'll give it away. 66-75. Mickey Gall. He's the one that stomped out CM Punk in easy fashion. So, what else we got? We got a 35-99. Thug Rose. All right. Thug Rose. Nikita Krylov. Not too familiar with him. So far, no autographs. Let's see. And Titans of the Mecca. Oh, dang, Conor. All right, got Conor. Conor McGregor. Is it numbered or anything? Eddie Alvarez. All right. Let me know what you think. I look forward to sending more videos. I don't know if you guys have seen these yet. Let me know if you think I should break it open and do a video. Anyway, thank you for tuning in. I appreciate your time, and I wish you all the best. Take care. Danny B out.